All right, so all of these hives that we're doing are treatment-free hives, and that's just something that I have an interest in doing. Like I said before, we're doing 20 of these hives, not all burnt, but they look good. So we're going to do treatment-free hives and then look at the results for 2021. We'll look at the 20 hives that we put out and see how they fared. I don't know if you see that hole down there, but I love those knots in the logs. It's just a natural entrance that you would see in the wild. That kind of charred center in the knot, I'm going to definitely grind that out. I'm a little bit worried that maybe that smell of the smoke would be off-putting. Who knows, but anyway, I'll grind it out. Okay, another log I've just got ready for burning, and this is from my neighbor. He built the bait hives, and we're going to put this in his yard. I love this log because it's got this old broken limb that's healed over. So we're going to get that drilled, and that'll be a nice entry point for the bees. So again, this is about 12 gallons of material or space. And this is the inside. Only takes about an hour to chainsaw this out and then use the chisel just to grate it. All right, time to burn. It is a cold morning. I'm gonna get this flamethrower running and get this log charred up. Let's get going. What do you think?
Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.